welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Tanisha Latrice. You already seen that thumbnail, so you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Luv Me Hair. They sent your girl over this gorgeous unit that's gonna have you stopping the show every time you walk through the door, honey. But before we get into the details of this unit, we're gonna do a super quick install, and I'll be back with my final thoughts, details, and a coupon code. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So you already know it's about to go down. Y'all see this fall gorgeousness right here? Look at that fall color, or any season. Like, honey, this is amazing. That color is just drop dead gorgeous. You can tell me that color is fire, okay? And then on top of that, baby, these curls, it came like this out the box. Okay, I didn't do nothing to this unit but take it out the box, and this is how it looks right out of the box. Then on top of it, look at this, y'all. It's already hot combed. Okay, look at it. You ain't got to worry about nothing but just get out the box, put it on. So let's do it. Here we go. This feels amazing already. It is very lightweight. I am liking that, loving it. So it does fit almost ear to ear on my head. But honey, don't that look gorgeous? And this is how it looks right out of the box. Look at the hairline, honey. I haven't done anything, and this is how it looks. This is so pretty. This is gorgeous. Okay, so what we're going to do next, we are going to clip the hair back so we can get into this lace. And I am so excited to put this unit on because it looks fabulous. Okay. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna cut this lace. Like normally I would have to like stick the hair back. I ain't got to do that because they already did it. So let's go ahead and cut the lace.
Baby, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's get this lake, stars are in line.
This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Just look at it. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some setting lotion just on the front of it so the lace can melt down. And then we're going to get in these curls, which, as you see, you really ain't got to do much. So I need to go get my setting lotion. I'll be right back. So I am using Nairobi. This is her. I got it off Amazon. I'm going to link it in my Amazon store if you are interested in this setting lotion, but it's absolutely amazing. And what we're going to do is we're just going to put it just on the hairline just so we can have the lace melt better into our skin. And let me do this without it running down my face. Alright, so next I'm going to get my wrap, and we're just going to strap it down while we get into these curls. Boom. Alright, so now let's get into these curls while the lace is melting. We're going to get into these curls, and we're just going to finger comb it so I can see if it needs a little extra curl here or there. Okay, so it looks like I'm gonna need to do a little curl just in the front. This side looks pretty good. This side is not looking like the other side, so either curl it just a little bit on this side, and let's see.
Well, baby, gotta hold on it.
Like that looks good. Curl. You just do a little curl. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little curl here and there. I'm not gonna curl the whole thing because this unit doesn't need it. But because it's been traveling in a box, we're gonna give it a little curl here and there just to help it out from traveling in a box. So I'm going to get my Conair one that I got from Walmart. I think this is in a 1.5 inch or 2 inch, and we're just gonna give it some curls here and there.
Me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got.
Alright, y'all, so I just curled it up just a little bit. Didn't do too much at all. Just did a curl here and there because it was already pre-curled when I took it out the box. Now I'm just going to take off the wrap so we can see how this lace melted.
Hold on and let love unfold tonight.
Y'all see that? Ooh. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the leftover powder that's on my makeup brush, and I'm just gonna do the front part of the lace. This is her. Oh, she looks gorgeous. So what I'm gonna do is finger comb the curls out so we can get a real feel. And honey, look at that. That is gorgeous. That is really, really gorgeous. And I'm just amazed at how it looks in the front. Like, I did not do this. This is how it came right out of the box. It came just like this. I didn't do anything. And it is glueless. So take it right out of the box and put her on. Like, honey, what else do you want out of a wig? See, it's absolutely gorgeous. Like, look at that. It is so lightweight and it's flowy. Like, this is amazing. This is so cute. And that color, oh my god, look at this color. Color is absolutely amazing. Drop dead gorgeous unit to have. So let me show you the back.
Don't care what we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, it's there to love out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right.
When I tell you this unit is amazing, this is an amazing unit. Absolutely gorgeous. 100% a great unit to have, and it's beginner friendly. This is 100% no skill install beginner friendly type of wig that you would love to have in your wig rotation. What are you waiting for? Switching up is everything. Make sure you do it with a Luv Me Hair unit. So before we get into the details of this unit, you know they sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over some wig caps, a wig grip, a Luv Me Hair comb brush combo. They also sent over a Luv Me Hair clip and a Luv Me Hair mesh drawstring bag to help store your unit in. So let me tell you the tea about this unit. This is a charming brown layer cut loose wave 555 closure lace glueless wig that is ready to go right out of the box. So honey, let's get into the tea of this gorgeous unit. This is 100% human hair. This unit can be worn in various sizes. I am wearing it in the length 20 inches. You can also get it in 16, 18, 22, and 24 inches. You do have the option to get the lace pre-cut at an additional cost. This is a beautiful brown color that is great for the fall season. It is a face framing. The layers frames the face so effortlessly. It's a great low maintenance tangle free wig. It's easy to put on and easy to take off. In less than 1 minute you are ready to go. This unit is 100% glueless, baby, so you are able to wear this wig on to go, take it off, put it on with ease, and look fabulous every time you put it back on. So let me tell you some more about this unit. This is 100% human hair. The density on this unit is 150%. This unit is 5x5 parting, so you can part it in the middle, the left, the right, or do a C part as well. The lace on this unit is regular lace, but honey, it looks absolutely amazing. The color on this unit is the number 4 chocolate brown. It's not too shiny, it's just the right amount of shine, so it's absolutely gorgeous. The cap size on this unit is 22.5 inches, which is like your standard medium cap. This unit also comes with an attached adjustable band and adjustable straps as well to help give you the glueless effect. This unit should last you 1 year or more, and you do have the option to dye this unit as well. So if you want to put a little highlights up and through here, you do have the option to do that. that. Again, this unit is 100% glueless. 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 1 So what are you waiting for? This is the perfect unit to wear for any occasion. She's gonna get you right every single time. And you know what Love Me Hair is all about. Switching it up is everything. So do it with Love Me Hair. And there you have it. I would like to thank Love Me Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you are interested in this unit, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. If you are interested in seeing what else Love Me Hair has to offer, make sure you check out that next video. And I'll see you over there.